Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to sort alphabetically in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So in Google Sheets there are two types of sorting, by column and by range. Let's look at each one separately. For example, let's sort column D in ascending order. If you have headers in the table, you need to pin them so that they don't participate in sorting. Select the cell with the header, then View, Freeze, and here select the first row. The first row is fixed, which is indicated by a gray line, and it will no longer participate in sorting. OK, left-click column D by clicking on its letter name, Data tab, Sort Range, and then select Sort Range by column D from A to Z. This is how only one column is sorted. Now let's sort the whole range. With the left mouse button, select the desired range. In this case, these are three columns B, C, and D. Go to Data tab, select Advanced Range Sorting Options. In the window that opens, select which column we will sort the data by, for example, column C. If there are headers in the table, don't forget to check the box here and click Sort. And that's how we sorted the data only in a certain range. The column with the numbers on the right remained untouched. And if you need to sort the entire sheet, then it's even easier. Select the column cell by which we sort the entire sheet. For example, sort the entire sheet by column B. Select any cell from this column, click Data tab, Sort Sheet, and then Sort Sheet by column B from A to Z. And as you can see, the data is sorted by column B across the entire sheet. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.